Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a cover photo on Facebook. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on the three vertical lines at the top right of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on See Your Profile. Now tap on Add a Cover Photo. Now you can go ahead and select Upload Photo. Now you can select a photo of your choice. Once you are done choosing the photo, tap on the Save option at the top right of your screen. Once you are done tapping on Save, you have successfully uploaded your cover photo. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.